What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get connects for free on Upwork. Now there are two main ways to get connect. First of all, here I'm on my Upwork profile or homepage. If I go here and tap on my personal photo and then tap on connects, you can see here the option to buy connects. Now of course each month Upwork will send you a set number of connects for free, so that's one way to get free connects in order to be able to apply for jobs offered on Upwork. Now, if you go ahead to the buy connects option here, click on it, you can buy connects for the sum that you want. So here's the price list or the amount to buy. Let's say I want to buy 100 connects for $15. Of course, it'll be $15 plus tax. Now, here, of course, it says that you have to pay to get your connects. Now, you can upgrade your plan to get connects for cheaper and get more free connects, so that's another way. And finally, if you have a promo code right here for free connects, you can enter it right here and apply it, and it'll get you the amount of connects that you choose absolutely free. And after you enter your code and apply it, go ahead and buy connects and it'll get you the connects for free. However, the simplest and easiest way to get free connects, as I told you, is to wait for the monthly amount of connects to be added automatically to your profile.